Making money online is not that tough nowadays, and it is actually what everyone is doing after the pandemic year. We are working from home, but I know that's not why you are here. You want to find something as easy as reading and writing English and make money from the comfort of your living room sofa. So I will disclose a skill and a few websites that pay you just for reading and writing English language. By the way, if you have reading and writing skills for any other language than English, then that will be very beneficial for you. So this skill I'm talking about is called proofreading and editing. In simple words, proofreading is reading and finding errors in a given piece of content, and editing is just correcting those mistakes in the content. So proofreading and editing are similar but different jobs. I have had my own tough experience with proofreading, and if you want to know about my experience, then I will not share that here on the video. But if you want to know how much you can make for real, then I have shared my experience with this job and my mentor's earnings in this article of shifuguide.com. Simply type Shifu Guide and you will see this site on the first result. Search for proofreading jobs and visit this article. Here you can read about my experience with this job and how much money my mentor used to make and how much money you can expect to make. You should read the article complete, by the way. It would be very beneficial for you if you really want to start making money online with as simple as proofreading jobs. There are two types of proofreading jobs. One that is complex, which I tried and failed, but it pays you more obviously, and it kind of includes some English language coding. Yes, there is a coding for English language. There is a coding format for editing and proofreading it. If you want to know more about what this all is, simply visit this article. Then there is other one, which is what you should be doing in the beginning, that is simply editing simple English language and editing it for any grammatical mistakes, punctuation error and readability. The Grammarly premium tool will be very beneficial for you. I hope you already know about Grammarly. You can let the tool do almost 80% of the work. Now let me show you the sites where you can apply to become a proofreader. Before that, I guess you all are already aware of sites like Fiverr.com, Upwork and Freelancer. I'm not going to explain about them. Other than freelancing sites, there are many opportunities to work as a proofreader. Number one, Polished Paper. This website did not disclose how much money you will make, but it sure tells you how you can join to become a proofreader and an editor. Before throwing a bunch of websites names, I will talk about the things you need to do before applying to them all. I will be sharing many sites list, but they are almost the same, and let me tell you the working of these sites with the example of Polished Paper. This site has many services. For instance, as you can see here, now this shows us that these websites have a test system before they let anyone apply to become a proofreader or editor. So see, this is not even that easy. This is not a cakewalk. It will require some hard work. The process to join as a proofreader or editor is almost similar to every site I'm going to share with you. Every site after or before sign up asks you to pass a comprehensive proofreading test and then provides you the work and the payment for it. So you need to have a good understanding of the language you want to work in. Now, if you want to know the complete list of sites that provides proofreading and editing job, just visit the site and search proofreading, and here you see the article for the list of proofreading jobs. Watch my previous videos on how to make money online without selling anything, and subscribe to the channel if you liked my work, and ask me your doubts in the comment section.